Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
People, wagwan. This is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. The Ministry for Education to every school must open back pan March 7 for face-to-face teaching. The farmer them out here say them in a problem because the cost of fertilizers keep on a go up, and it a go up more because of the war we are going in a Ukraine and Russia. One teenager and 2 adults dead early yesterday morning in a one car accident on the other main road in a Westmoreland. The young reggae girls reach round 16 in the CONCACAF Women Under 20 Championship. Now for the full tour of them. The Ministry for Education say every school must open back on March 7 for face-to-face teaching. The Education Ministry say most of the school them get the go-ahead from the Ministry for Health for class kickback for every student. According to Fairval Williams, only 5 schools are wait for the go-ahead from the public health inspector them, and Ratty take up some of the school them but that get fixed now, and some other school did a get fixed up. The farmer them out here say them in a problem because the cost for fertilizer keep on a go up, and it a go up more because the war we are going in a Ukraine and Russia. Russia are the world's biggest exporter of fertilizer. According to Leonard Fulton, who are the president for the Jamaica Agriculture Society, JAS, the agriculture sector just a come back from the COVID-19 pandemic, and the war we are going put them in a one dangerous position. Him said the government might have to go step in and pay some of the money for cut down the cost for fertilizer. One teenager and 2 adults dead early yesterday morning in a one car accident on the other main road in a Westmoreland. The people them are 16 years old Brianna Smith, 26 years old Ajay Ricketts, and 29 years old Vanessa Spence. The people them did amongst 5 people who did in a one Toyota Axio were crashed in a one truck little after 12 o'clock. Norville Kelly, who was somebody who still gone, say a speeding caused the accident. One farmer get shot and dead in a Montepello St. James Wednesday night. The dead man at 28 years old Kemar Piggott. According to the police report, Mr. Piggott did a walk on the main road around 8:30 p.m. when one man walked up to him and shot him. People called the police and them carry Mr. Piggott go hospital and doctor say him dead. The police are asking everybody else for know who one man be after them find him dead body in yard in a puppy in St. Andrew. People only know him as Shortman. The police say one of Shortman friend did go look for him in a July last year and find him dead. People call the police and them carry him go dead house. From them time there, nobody no come tell the police who him be. The halfway through CIB asks anybody who can tell them the man real name for call them on 876-926-8185. Now for sports. The young reggae girls reach round 16 in the CONCACAF Women Under 20 Championship after them draw 0-0 with 80 in the Dominican Republic on Wednesday. The girls did have 10 players in the 41st minute and them did miss one goal in the first half. This means that the young reggae girls reach round 16 as one of the top 3 teams and then move on to the knockout phase. People, remember the curfew from 12 a.m. in the morning to 5 a.m. in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.